And finally, back to basics, water. All of us are water nerds of some sort, so who wouldn't want to see water being created out of air, caught on video? Researchers have witnessed and filmed oxygen and hydrogen atoms merging to form tiny nanoscale water droplets for the very first time. Back in 2024, a team from Northwestern University in Illinois in the US developed a new method for viewing and analyzing gas molecules in real time. The method involves trapping the molecules within nanoreactors using ultra-thin membranes, which can then be viewed with electron microscopes. The team attempted to take a closer look at a 100-year-old mystery, how the metal, palladium, can generate water from hydrogen and oxygen. The study authors said, it's a known phenomenon, but it was never fully understood because you need to be able to combine the direct visualization of water generation and the structure analysis at the atomic scale in order to figure out what's happening. Using their new technique, they were able to watch in absolute disbelief as hydrogen entered the palladium and a nano-sized droplet of water formed right before their eyes. The researchers also said, it's not what we were expecting. Luckily, we were recording it, so we could prove to other people that we weren't crazy.